Jai Srimannarayana. 13th sloka of 16th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Idamadya maya labdham imam prapsye manoradham idam asti idamapi me bhavishyati punardhanam. Om. Always remember that what you have now, what you are going to acquire in future is not everything solely by your ability, but there is always help from Sri Krishna Paramatma. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, surrender to me unconditionally. Do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana, following these lines. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimannarayana, I shall never think that whatever that I have now, whatever that I am going to be acquiring in future is everything by my own ability, but I always remember that there is help from you. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Srimannarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, I shall obey your orders. Please make me as your best instrument. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpatarorgalitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamapeta krityam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. Om haraye namaha. Srimad Bhagavatamo Dasamaskandhamu 10th Skandham 321st day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Balarama hit on Pralambasura's head. With that, his head got broke and Mukhat Vaman Rudhiram Apasmrutaha. He started vomiting all the blood from his mouth, and then gone into unconscious and died and then fell on the floor. Then all the Gopalas, after seeing that Gopaha suvismita asan sadhu sadviti vadinaha melu melu gadayya రాముడు మేటి రక్కసు నొక్కడున్ నేల కూల్చె నొక్కపోటున నేడు విస్మయమంచు. All the Gopalas started appreciating Balarama, saying that this Balarama, by his own hand, with his only one hand, he hit such a huge Rakshasa and killed him. This is such a shocking and great wonder. Like that, Asishaha Abhigrunantaha, all the Gopalas appreciated, blessed Balarama, and also Alingya Prema Vihvala Chetasaha, they all hugged Balarama. After that, Devatas, seeing Balarama killing that Pralambasura, Devatas started showering all the flowers from the space. And after all that is done, again Gopalas, Balarama, Krishna, they all started enjoying their playing and sports. When they were completely involved in sports, all their cows went very far into the dense forest. There, such a huge fire started all around. But these cows, because of the heat coming from that fire, these cows started getting thirsty and started screaming while saying Amba, Amba. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Haraye Namaha. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna rakshatu no jagatraya guruhu Krishnam namasyamyaham. Krishne namarashatravo vinihataha Krishnaya tasmai namaha. Krishnadeva samuthitam jagadidam Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 16th chapter, 13th sloka. Idamadya maya labdham imam prapsye manoradham idamastidamapi me bhavishyati punardhanam. Idamadya maya labdham imam prapsye manoradham idamastidamapi me bhavishyati punardhanam. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.